Okay, I got a doing a prop test on the recoil 2. Put a 34 millimeter TFL prop on it. Got the GNSS in it. Let's see if we get a speed run. Whoa, that torques the boat right over. Oh, power cut? For some reason, the batteries do not last very long in this thing. Or the electronics don't like even this stock prop. Let's get her closer here so we get a speed on it. Oh, I didn't start. Oh, damn it. Gotta do this again. Start. No GPS signal. Oh boy. Well, so much for that speed run. It looks like it was pretty quick. Wonder why I lost my GPS signal. You can definitely tell the GNS in back, it sits a lot lower. Well, let's try and run it again without the GPS since we got no satellites. I don't know if that sucked the battery down or what. That is definitely not as fast as it was before. Let's hope we get a speed run on this. Well, that's pretty slow. It's a cute little boat though. Handle's nice. Carves a quick turn, but it's not going full speed either. You must not like the 34 millimeter prop. Well, I'm going to get the RC 390 out. Try that one.